Hello, here's the One Team Working COVID-19 update for Tuesday the 28th of April. So we want to make you aware of a new out-of-hours assistance called the Clinical Assessment Service. So if you are in need of medical assistance and it's within GP hours, then do try your GP first. Otherwise, we would suggest ringing the Clinical Assessment Service. This service just ensures your concerns are addressed by a local clinician, and the benefits for using it. We've had feedback from staff and they said they feel empowered and listened to by the clinicians. Also, the use of the service has proven to reduce admissions to hospital. Staff working in the Clinical Assessment Service are local and they understand the services available within Lincolnshire. The Clinical Assessment Service is staffed only by doctors and experienced nurse or paramedic clinicians. Staff working in the Clinical Assessment Service use their years of experience to assess patients, and the service is able to issue prescriptions and arrange for clinicians to visit the patient if appropriate. So this is a more local resource that we feel would be of benefit for you to use. So please do make use of that if you need it. Frequently asked questions around COVID-19 testing for household members. So the question that came through was, a member of my household has symptoms, but I am fine. What do I do? First of all, call the absence line as soon as you find out. Whether the member of your household is someone, a roommate or a housemate, a member of the family, whoever you share a household with, if you can have those conversations with them to make them aware that they know you are a key worker and you need to be aware if they are feeling any symptoms, because as soon as they do, it's really important that you ring the absence line, because we will also need to know when their symptoms started. We can then immediately arrange for testing for any household members on their behalf. If they're 18 or over, we'll need to speak directly with them and make the referral and manage that process on their behalf. Staff and other household members will be advised to self-isolate pending a negative test result. And we have 3 days from the start of any symptoms to refer for testing. So that's where the urgency comes from. So as soon as they recognise any symptoms, and as soon as they can tell you of that, and you can ring the absence line and make us aware, we can start the process. We have 3 days to book that test in, so it's really important to get that through to us as soon as possible. So please do make that agreement with anyone in your household that you live with to let you know if they have either a temperature or a new cough, and a new cough. Okay. In terms of our Thank You Thursday, so this has now gone live on Zone Standard, and it's your chance to recognise and thank any one of your One Team colleagues who you feel have just done something that has really helped you out or gone over and above and beyond whatever it is. All it is literally a really short message. It just says thank you, name them. It could just be that they did something that just really made a difference to your day, and it might seem like the smallest thing, but actually to you it made a massive difference. So that's what Thank You Thursday is all about, and then we will put all of those clips together and share it on the Thursday. So you can access this on your green eye on your Zone Standard portal, and there is a wiki for it as well. So we've had some more fantastic rainbow artwork. How lovely are they? So yeah, it's lovely to see. Thank you so much for sharing the photos, and please keep them coming in. If anyone else is doing any rainbows or any pictures or anything, it's lovely to share those colourful, uplifting pictures across the services. And we're also sharing stories on our YouTube channel as well. So please do keep the footage coming through. Again, if you're worried about anything, please use the absence line. There is a selection within that for support and queries. An IMS partner will be able to talk to you. And then I just want to share some more photos from the homes, which is always lovely to see. Lovely. Thanks everyone. See you tomorrow.